Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I have a question. Nowadays, there are so many online resources available, like YouTube or websites, right? And I think you guys use, them to study English. My question is, how do you check whether the information online is accurate or not? Do you do something, to make sure the content you are looking at is correct or not? That is my question. I think first you have to do this. Of course, you have to check whether the content is correct or not. Because unfortunately, all the content on the internet is not always accurate. So you have to do, check the accuracy. My advice is that you should check at least 3 different resources that provide you with the information you are looking for. And if all the content gives you the same information, go for it. But if not, you have to do more research. And thanks to algorithm, I think many English related videos pop up, right? But what you have to do is you have to focus on what you have to do right now. Okay, so what I mean is, if you are studying, one thing, you have to finish that first, and then you have to move to the new one. Okay. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Sorry, today there's no script, so I don't know whether this video is chaotic or not. I don't know. Anyway, have a beautiful day. Bye bye.